Hello and thank you for tuning into this episode. I am now at Herdla again, just doing a quick stop here before the sun is setting. So I've been here already an hour or an hour and a half. I've done some bird photography, so the main goal here today is to take pictures of the northern lapwing. It's quite good to see that there's so many lapwings here. It seems like the bird is increasing in numbers here at Herdla, so that's really positive to see. So I already gotten some nice pictures of him on my camera, so now I'm just waiting for a little bit extra sunset colors because the sun is setting. So I'm hoping to capture some more pictures of the lapwing and also some other birds as well in some beautiful sunset colors. So yeah, I'm brought along the Z8 with the 800mm f6.3 PF lens and the 1.4 teleconverter. So I'm testing that camera out today, and yeah, quite happy with this camera. It's performing really well. The autofocus is doing good. The high resolution, everything is just, yeah, chef's kiss. So yeah, I think I'll do a little bit more scouting around now that the sun is dimming, or not dimming, but getting close to the horizon. So I hope you stay tuned and enjoy this episode. The sun is getting close to the horizon, but it looks like it's going to be too many clouds, so I don't think I'm going to get any spectacular sunset colors today. I might. Right now it's just behind a bigger cloud higher up above the horizon, and it seems like there might be some thinner clouds beneath it, so I might get something. But yeah, I've already gotten some nice pictures of the lapwing. I've also got some pictures of the meadow pipit, I think it's called, as well as the red shank, if I think that's the name, if I remember the name correctly in English, rødstilk in Norwegian. But yeah, I'm not gonna go through the camera so much today. I'm just testing it out now, getting the feel of it, getting a little bit more comfortable with the settings, because it's a whole new camera. I'm not quite sure if I have figured it out correctly when it comes to still photography for birds standing still or not in flight. I think I'm having the correct settings. It's picking up the bird really good, but when it comes to birds in flight, it feels like I'm struggling a little bit with the focus. With the video, it also looks like I got the correct settings for video, but I'm not quite sure, so I have to see later. But I think in a later time I'll do a review of the Z8 as well as the 800mm lens. But yeah, for now I'm gonna head home. So I am on the furthest or the outer point of Herdla right now, and my car is on the opposite side of this field, so I technically have quite a long walk back. So hopefully I will get some of the colors still from the sunset and some more pictures of some birds. So yeah, I thank you for watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.